Alright, here we go. We're going to open this up. So you can see the item comes in a nice plastic case with foam inserts and so forth. Comes with 7 batteries. The unit itself takes 6 batteries, and then we have what we call a pencil stream adapter, a Wizard vapor airflow pencil stream adapter. It has a cone on it, and we have a couple of cones actually that come with it. You basically cut the cone off to where you want the stream of fog to be. So if you really want a fine stream, you leave it the way it is. If you want a little coarser stream, you cut it down a little bit with a utility knife or something. I'll show you this later. Alright, we're going to take the unit out. Also comes with 3 ounces of super fog fluid. It's good for about 50 rooms if you're doing airflow. Comes with a screwdriver and of course the 7 batteries. Alright, we're going to put this to the side. Alright. So the unit itself, when you take the unit out of the case, it usually has a little pin that's stuck in right here. There's a little hole in the trigger that this thing goes in, just so that it can't turn on inadvertently when you store it. Usually this little pin is stored right here when you're not using it. Alright. Okay. The unit itself has a empty tank and a fill tank. The fill tank, when you go to fill the unit with fog or with fluid, you want to take the bottle with the applicator here, and you want to make sure that you put it in all the way to the back of the tank, so that when you're filling it, the air does not push the fluid back out and get all over everything.
Yeah, that's good.
All right. So you just fill it up. You'll be able to see that it's filled when this. You'll actually see the fluid filling up on this little window right here. All right. When you put it, then you just push the thing back in, clean it off a little bit. When you the empty tank is for when this is a fluid. So what happens is there's condensate in here. Not all of it vaporizes. So it'll run back down inside the unit and back into this tank here. So when you start to see this little tank getting filled, you simply squeeze the bottle in, stick it all the way to the back of that tank, and let go, and it'll suck the fluid right back out. You can put it right back into the fill tank and reuse it, so there's no waste at all. All right. Now to operate the unit, it's all done with this one lever right here. So what you do is you push this lever on until you see the light on top here, the indicator light showing that the juice is flowing to the generator. There's a little heater in there, and it heats up and vaporizes the fluid.
Move it back towards the back there. Yeah.
All right. So here we are. You can see that the vapor starts to come out right away. But if you really want a good puff of vapor, you wait about 6 seconds, and then you push this lever in a little bit more, and you get a nice puff of vapor. Otherwise, if you want to just run the thing and have a nice even flow come out, just get it so it gets to the point where it flows, and then you just kind of hold it there. When you see the vapor start to diminish a little bit, you can push a little bit more, and it'll just keep coming out. You can basically keep a very continuous flow here. You can pulse it slightly too, and that way, it gives it refills the tank with air, so that the fluid will keep flowing out through the generator. All right, that's that. All right, now if you want to use this to get a nice small pencil stream flow of vapor, it has a little fan on it, so you push the fan on, put this right on top like that, and then you do it the same way. You make sure that you've got the thing on, wait a little bit, and now you're going to be able to get a nice steady stream of vapor coming out. And like I say, you can pulse the trigger a little bit so that it just continually has vapor come out. And that's it. The The unit used to look like this. It was called a Wizard Stick, and now we've re-engineered it to look like this. So we've taken all the function of this and put it into a unit this size. And it's much sleeker looking and a little more professional looking for doing the airflow indication.